The Calypso is a Trilogy fiberglass pool model sold and installed by Easy Test Pool Supplies. It measures 15 feet wide and 34 feet long while holding 12,000 gallons of water. It ranges in depth from 3 feet 6 inches in the shallow end to 6 feet in the deep end. It is a free-form pool coming in on the longer end and has a great sun shelf tanning ledge located in the shallow end of the pool. This shelf actually continues to extend into the deeper end, so it's perfect for both adults and children alike. Adults can lounge and supervised children can play in the shallow end on the ledge if they so choose. There's actually another bench located in the deeper end of the pool which fits anywhere from 4 to 6 adults comfortably. The Calypso could be the choice for you if you're looking for a pool that has seating capacity but also room to swim in a larger area of water. The price range of the Calypso in 2019 is between $49,000 and $56,000 depending on the option selected. Fiberglass pools have many additional features to choose from that help you to truly capture a unique pool feel. The possibilities are endless. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel so inclined, please like, share, comment, find us on Facebook, and subscribe if you haven't already. Or click the bell notification to receive our most updated content. This is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and thanks for watching.